Hey, look here. Today, got my little pit rolling over there. And what I'm doing there, you know, I'm going to show you in a minute there, but I'm going to tell you first what I'm doing. I've got some little wingettes. And today's Saturday afternoon, they just started with this coronavirus business and all that stuff. And hey, how is she going to spend a better Saturday than with some wingettes and my little Corona to help fight this son of a gun? This is a Corona antivirus drug here. Ah, boy, that took that cough away. Anyway, Shad, listen. First of all, I hope all of y'all can find some toilet paper, because for some reason people think that toilet paper is going to take care of you if you happen to catch this stuff. Now I got that off my chest. All right, for these wingettes, let me tell you what. The best flavor you could possibly have is what I've got mixed right here. And this is a little garlic powder, paprika, chili powder, a little bit salt, and some brown sugar. And when you mix that together, you talk about a flavor. And you don't need much of it. I mean, I've got these few little wings, and that's all I'm going to use on there. And I'm going to go ahead and dress them up right now and let them set for a while before I put them on the grill. And that's going to be a slow grill, Shy. Hey, look, follow me out there. It's Chef Bourque. Let's watch it happen. First of all, wings love brown sugar. And for barbecue sauce, I'm going to be using my personal sauce, as well as a special sauce that Miss Shirley loves. She loves mine too, but you know how that is, you know. It's one of those whatever things, you know what I mean? And we'll be trying to do a little Corona beer, that is, and little slits to wash it down as this goes along. Look at here, huh? Now everything's gonna have a touch. It's all gonna have a touch. You gotta make it happen. You could call these buffalo wings, you could call them Chef Bourque wings, you can call them any kind of wings you want. Just remember, they're all gonna be gone by this evening. That's Chef Bourque's long lost wings. If them chickens could only see themselves now. Hot dang. And that's it. I'm just going to leave it alone just like it is. Now let's go do our thing. All right, Chad. Talk to you later. Yeah, baby. All right. Hey, look. I've got my wingettes on. I've seasoned them real good. I put them on the grill. Doing a slow cook with them. I'm using my personal Cajun Bayou Man barbecue sauce that I make myself. And Miss Shirley got her own little barbecue sauce that she loves. So hey, you know, been married 55 years and I got to stay with it, yeah. So hey, it's yes dear, your sauce is on the grill too. Anyway, the Chef Bourque, follow me along, yeah. Once this is done, hey, what can I say? I might come back, I might not come back. If I come back, I know it's going to be with the slits. Talk to y'all later. Hot dang, enjoy it, enjoy it, enjoy it. Hey, this is good cooking right here, especially if you have a little patio. Hey, this is good stuff Saturday afternoon. Kill the day, Shaq, kill the day. Hey, talk to you later. Hot dang. All right, baby, let's get this sucker on the road. Ooh, it's hot. I'm just going to put these on the top, I think. run them on the top side. Yes, indeed. You're my baby. Oh, yes, indeed. Hey, man, let me tell you what. This corona stuff that they got going around there, I don't know. But on a Saturday afternoon, hey, corona or no corona, I'll be out here trying to hook me up a little something. You know what I mean? Look at that. Bam. I'll put 2 more on there. Get me a little cross looking kind of a scar on these suckers. Then I'm going to flip them the other side and get another scar on the other side. And hey, what you going to do on the Bayou, Chef? It's all good. God dang. Let me close this sucker up. Lord, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, man, look here. I snuck me on a couple of little pieces of sausage here. Snuck me on some sausage, yeah. Now, right now, I'm trying to turn these over. You see that little? That's my scar. I'm putting the scar on the other side now. Ooh, I love that. I love that so much. You go, baby. Do your thing. I'll put you right here. And you, I'll put you right there. Turn over, Shad. Turn over. I gotta get my sauce ready. Here we go, baby. Let's shut her down again. And do your thing, puppy. All right. Right now, I'm gonna put my sauce in there. Cajun Bayou man, baby. Make that myself. I want that to get in my little pot. So when I go to messing with my wings, I ain't got no problem. Ooh, listen to that. God dang, you would swear that was a bottle of wine. Go on in, baby. My God. And this is what I call sauce. My own sauce, personal sauce. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I want to be able to squish it. Rub them wings all over in there. Give me a little taste. Holy crap. Holy hell. Holy moly. That's good stuff, brother. Dang. Let me close that up. Let it do its thing a little bit. First, I'm going to check these wings out a little. Oh yeah, they're cooking good. Turn these bad boys this way. Go, baby, go. One thing I love on a Saturday afternoon. Get me some wings working. So I'll move this sausage down here. That's a hot, hot, hot sausage. And that's a mild, mild, mild sausage here. That's from Miss Shirley. Put them down there. These babies here, they just doing the right thing, doing what they're supposed to do, taking their time. Yep. Oh yeah, just taking their time. See, that's why I turn them sideways in this pit. Let me close this up. Let it go. Hot dang, where's that cold brewski? All right, this is going in the barbecue sauce. That's Miss Shirley's, and that's her special sausage she likes. Put it on the grill, baby. And this is mine right here. I like a hot sausage, and that's going in my personal barbecue sauce. Cajun Bayou, man. There's one, Shad. There's the other one. Ooh, it's starting to smell good. This one here I'm going to give to Miss Shirley. Put it on the side. This one here for Miss Shirley. Let it cook. Put it on the side. Hell, I'll give this one here to her too. Her sauce. Well, as you can see, I've already put a whole bunch of these into the sauces. And right now, raise this up a little bit because my coal's about to go. Ooh, baby. Another one of mine in there. Miss Shirley's and hers. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and let these cook some more. And they're going to get brown and everything. But then I'm going to go ahead, put them back in the sauce. And then I'll go ahead, take them out, put them in a bowl and serve them. I tell you what. Oh yeah, the hot fire's still hot, Liz. Fire's still hot. Now it's just a matter of just kind of cooking a little bit more. So that's what I want to do. Anyway, having a great afternoon. Anyway, this Chef Bourque. I never made it to my slits yet, but hey, it's coming, Shaq. Thanks for joining me. Enjoy.